Hi my loves, it's great to see you again in my channel, Winnie's Artisan Journey. I'm sure you still remember my previous episode of making this chrysanthemum chicken. Yeah, that episode of chrysanthemum chicken is closely related to my episode today. Well, our star comfort food for today is signature chrysanthemum chicken bone porridge. Feel free to click above info card to watch the entire video of my previous episode of how I made this chrysanthemum chicken. I'm using the chrysanthemum chicken leftover bones to make my porridge here. Don't worry, the leftover chicken bones that I'm using here is in a pretty hygienic condition, as in our previous episode, I am using the knife to cut open all the flesh and we eat it in a different plate. And when I separated all the bones from the flesh that time, the bones were being kept in its original plating, left untouched. As our chrysanthemum chicken were being marinated with these full blast flavors of DOM Benedictine, together with salt and the chrysanthemum flour, it acts as a very good base for my porridge today. Here I'm using 1 cup of fragrant jasmine rice that has been rinsed thoroughly and is served for 2 people. Rice to liquid ratio is 1:8. This is for making thick porridge. I'm adding in 20 small dried scallops that has been rinsed thoroughly and soaked for 15 minutes. Ensure to stir the porridge frequently to prevent the bottom from sticking and burning. Here I'm using 2 whole premium century eggs with supercharged flavors. If you can get good quality century eggs, their yolks is quite moist inside and is full with flavors. Century eggs are also known as preserved eggs, 100-year eggs, 1000-year eggs, 1000-year-old eggs, millennium eggs, skin eggs, or leg eggs. The making of century eggs is quite interesting. It is made by preserving duck, quail eggs, or chicken eggs in a mixture of ash, clay, salt, rice husk, and quicklime for several weeks, even to several months. It has such a unique taste. It is very pungent and creamy with a whiff of ammonia taste. You either love it or hate it. Just add in a little bit of water if you find that your porridge is a bit too thick. If you want to have a medium thick consistency, the ratio of rice and liquid is 1:9, whereas if you want a medium thin consistencies, the ratio would be around 1:10. I'm adding in 12 crabsticks here. Adding the creamy century eggs at this point, or you can add it lastly as your wish. Believe it or not, my porridge is so full of flavors I don't even have to put any seasoning to it. Not even salt, because the dried scallop already provide my whole porridge the salty taste. Garnish with some dried chrysanthemum flowers. See how beautiful it is. Well, I hope you like my version of this comfort food, signature chrysanthemum chicken bones porridge. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever I post my new videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Lots of love. Take care.